It's a deadly start to the holiday weekend. 5 people killed in a wrong-way crash in Arizona. The Cliff Castle chopper showing you the aftermath, and you can see for yourself just how much damage those 2 cars endured. This happened on I-40, about 10 miles southwest of Kingman. DPS says an 82-year-old man from Nevada was driving the wrong way and crashed into the car. The westbound lanes of I-40 have partially reopened, and if you need to go to California, your alternate route is taking US 93 to Kingman and then head to State Route 68.